Okay, starting.
Alright, this is for the Minuet Guitar 2, Minuet in G. We're in 3/4, and we have all F sharps, alright? Now, the tricky part about this is you have that dotted 8th note tied to a 16, so that rhythm is always going to be 1, 2, 3, bum, 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 bum. So I hit the metronome. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so let's try to play it. 1, 2, you have the 2 beat pickup. 1, 2, 3, go, 2. Rest. 2. Alright, so, and if you look at the end of that section right there, that what you have is you have the first 2 notes on the end of the second line, and that's the pickup for the beginning because you have a repeat sign. So let's play it again. 1, 2, 3, go, 2. Rest. Rest. Alright, so then you repeat it. Going on from that, you have a rest, and then you have these notes right here. Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so at the end of that line, you have 1, 2, 3, and sorry, that's going to be C natural, so 2, 3. Alright, so at the end of that measure, what you have is you have the F sharp, you have 1, 2, and then you start again with that rhythm, right? So let me just play that real slow for you. These are last 2 measures of the 3rd line going into the 4th line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Alright, so 2, 2, 2. Alright, so you repeat that just again, so you have rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, rest. 2, 2, rest. Alright, same idea as the first, you have those 2 pickup notes. Now when you go into the trio, things get a little bit weird because you're going to have a couple of chords, but we're going to go over those chords real fast, alright? So you have rest on the first measure, then you play a low G. Alright, so from there, when you play the low G, you go D, G, E, from here. Alright, so right here you have 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 4th string. Alright, so you have these arpeggios. Alright, so from here you're down, let's finger it like this. Alright, so you have C, F, A, D, and then after that you're done. Jump up to this section right here, C, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret. So you have, alright, and then you go back down to B. Use your middle finger right here, and then go up to the G. So, sorry. Alright, and then you have, let's see what you have. Right there you have an augmented chord. back into this right here, and then, and then, and then, and then, and then, sorry, essentially this. Alright, so you have a D, F sharp, A, D. Alright, so real close, come a little closer, I'm gonna go over those chords real quick. Alright, so this is a trio section. You start on the G. Open. Alright, then you come over here, finger this. Then you come over here. From here, don't forget the diminished chord, because you're playing these same notes, but you're adding that D sharp. All right, now from here, all right. Now last two lines. Let's finish it out. So you have 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Alright, so that was the first to last line. So 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, repeating itself. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's see here. 2, 3. Alright, so it repeats a lot of itself from the 5th line, but you just got that G. Slide that, C. And then you got the D. And you can just do the D like this. Alright, now after that, just come over here. D7 chord, and then the G. Really easy stuff. You should be able to be fine after that, but we'll work on it in class 2. Cool.